In this video, we'll learn how to create and use a tornado chart to easily compare data in Power BI. Let's dive in. First, open the Power BI desktop. Here, I'm using an electronic sales dataset, but you can use any dataset you have. Let's use this simple dataset comparing Store A and Store B sales for various electronics gadgets. We'll visualize this using a tornado chart. To build the tornado chart, we need to unpivot the Store A and Store B columns. Go to Power Query Editor. Select the Store A and Store B columns. Go to Transform tab, click on Unpivot Columns. Rename the new columns. Attribute to Store and Value to Sales. Now go to the Home tab and click on Close and Apply. Next, go to the Visualizations pane. Here, click on the three dots and select Get More Visuals. In the Search tab, search for Tornado Chart. Choose Tornado Chart by Microsoft Corporation and click Add to import it. Now, in the Visualization pane, you can see the Tornado Chart visual. Add it to your report canvas. Drag Gadget to the Group field. Drag Store to the Legend field. Drag Sales to the Values field. Rename the chart to Store A versus Store B, Gadget Sales. From this chart, we can clearly see Store A outperforms in laptops and smartphones, Store B leads in headphones, and Store A leads in smartwatches. Tablets are close in sales for both stores. And that's how you use a tornado chart in Power BI. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.